Justin? Nandyan? Ayan nga siya, Justin SB19, come up on stage!
What's up, everyone? Good evening po. First of all, thank you so much for having me here right now and the opportunity to stand with Ari.
Yeah, dude, come on. Kanina pa sila. Tignan mo eh, cut out. Oh, cut out. Ay. Oh, dito din, Justin, dito din.
Oh, energy
Oo, pati yung bouncer, Justin! Bounce si Kuya din eh. Justin, we are here to interact and have a game kasama ang mga nanalo ng question sa QR code kanina.
Yeah.
Yes. So, tatawagan po namin sila dito mamaya. Pero, kumusta yung experience mo for the APAC Predator League 2024 so far? How's it?
You know what? Earlier, pinapanood ko yung live stream ng Predator League. So, yung live stream. And then, nakikita ko yung comments. Talagang excited ang lahat. Hindi lang yung live audience na naririnig ko backstage yung sigawan. Pati yung comments sila, talagang excited sila sa lahat ng mangyayari. So, I'm very, actually, nervous right now na...
You're nervous?
Yeah, a little bit. Kasi, syempre, ang daming tao and... Actually, it's our first like big event, gaming event na in-attendan. So...
Really? O, kinakabahan daw si Justin. Palakpakan naman ako. Huwag ka daw kabahan.
Thank you.
Alright. So, we're celebrating gaming and music, Justin. Ano yung mga nilalaro mo? What games do you usually play?
Sorry?
What games do you usually play?
Actually po, recently I've been playing League.
League? Sino nagli-league dyan? League? Ay,
League of Legends.
Ay! League,
League.
Siya daw, League, ayun. What else do you play?
I also play, alam mo, before, when I was a kid, naglalaro ako Crossfire.
Crossfire? You played that as well?
Isa ako sa mga Crossfire kid na pag namamatay magta-type ng ow.
Really?
Yeah.
Naka-comp shop ka dati? Nagko-comp shop ka din dati?
Ay, hindi naman. Sa bahay lang.
Okay. Very cool. And lastly, there are a lot of musical acts tonight. Which acts do you, let's say, are looking forward to watching, or which ones do you like base sa roster natin tonight?
Of course, syempre, I'm excited to hear Miss Sarah G.
Sarah G? We're performing together.
We'll be performing with Sarah G later, so I'm very excited na it's our first time.
First time?
Yeah.
Wait, this is the first time you'll share the stage with Sarah G?
Yep, and it's the first time that we're going to perform yung Ace Your World. So.
With her. Oh, wow, guys. That's a treat. Okay, tawagan na natin ang mga 8 participants.
Alright.
Grabe.
On stage.
Yes, they're here. Can we call the winners? Dito sila. Ayan. Now,
Come on, guys.
palapakan po natin sila.
Hello.
Hi, guys. Hi. Okay. Balik kayo dito. Balik. Dito tayo sa gitna. Tara, come. It's fine.
And
meron pa. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Oh, wait. Lapit kayo.
Lapit muna, guys.
Lapit.
So, ito pong mga participants na nandito right now is yung mga nakasagot sa QR code na pinresent earlier.
Yes, that's correct. Can you introduce yourselves?
Hello. My name is Cristel. Hi guys.
Hi,
Wow,
guys.
Cristel. How about that?
I'm Rai.
Right, Cristel, right?
Right.
Dani po. Zico.
Uy, kinakabahan
Narinig namin yung
nag-holding
narinig namin
hands.
talaga.
Kaya natin to.
Ano po ulit ang name?
Dani.
Danny and
Zico.
Z. Si Danny and Z. So, sila po ang first team. And how about the other side?
Ay, can I get your name?
Hello, I'm Rayan.
Ray-Ann. Oh, dito ka, Justin. Dito. Oo.
Hi, Mary Ann.
Good evening, Moa Rina.
Pwede.
I'm sweet. Ano pala?
Sweet.
Celine.
Sweet? How about it?
Hello, I'm sorry I don't have a voice,
G, okay.
G,
Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello po, ako po si RB.
RB, nice to meet you guys. And congratulations na nasagutan niyo yung QR code.
Okay. So, Justin, yung gagawin natin, we're gonna play a game, parang tumpak nerds, basically.
Alright, yeah. It's very, ano ngayon, usong-usong ngayon.
Usong-uso ngayon. First to two points ang siyang mananalo. Okay? First to 2 points will be our winner. Do you know how tumpakers?
So, hindi pa pala nila alam. Why not, let's give them a sample.
I-ano namin.
Okay.
Okay.
Sample namin yung
Sige,
game, guys,
sige.
ha? So, makinig kayo. Ganito yung
Sige,
lalaro.
sige.
Magbibigay kami
Sige.
ng category, and then
Okay.
in a count of 3, maghaharap kayo, and then you'll say the first thing that comes to your mind.
First word that comes to your mind.
Okay.
Tapos magti 3, 2, 1, tapos tatalo ng ganon. Kung pareho, you get 1 point. Kung hindi, wala. So, let's think
Let's
of
try.
anong category mo.
Okay, I'll think of a category. Brand ng laptop.
Brand ng laptop.
Yeah.
Okay, sige. In 3, 2, 1.
Predator!
Alright,
Ang galing.
Diba?
Mahirap yan, mahirap. Sobrang hirap.
Sobrang may buhok ka, kalbo ako, pero ano pa rin ka? Diba? Okay pa rin eh.
Yeah. So, nag-gets nyo na, guys?
Oh. Okay, so we have Team 1, Team 2, Team 3, Team 4. Okay? Sige.
Yeah. So, what will happen is, yes, magkakampi kayong 4, magkakampi, and the other 4 magkakampi din. But,
Magkakampi. Okay.
2 at a
Ang
time.
team. So, ang 2 at a time.
yeah.
Ang 2 at a time. Grabe.
So, the first team na makakuha ng 2 points, sila yung mananalo.
Magkakampi sila.
Yes, magkakampi
Yes,
sila,
yes.
then magkakampi. So, pili kayo ng leader nyo para malaman natin sino yung first na maglalaro.
Okay.
Sino pwedeng mag-leader? Bato,
Sino
Big.
mauna? Sino mauna?
Okay na. Go ahead.
Ayun na, oo.
Go. Bato, Pi.
1, 2, 1.
Bato, 3.
1.
Bato, Pi. Bato, Pi.
Ang galing.
Okay.
Oo.
So, kayo po ang first team na maglalaro.
Sino mauna? Kayo, sila? Sila muna. Ay, takot kayo mo first.
Kayo daw mauna.
Teka lang guys ha, talikod saglit. Kailangan malayo sila, no? Kailangan malayo. So, pag magsa-start na kayo, okay, for the category, dapat malayo.
Yes. So nga pala, you'll be playing the same category hanggang sa may makasagot ng tama.
Yes.
So, once na binigay na namin yung category, bawal na mag-usap kahit yung members na hindi maglalaro. So, space kayo guys. Space, Yana. Bawal na mag-usap guys ang mga mata.
Okay, so, for our first pair, kayo, okay, dito tayo. O Justin, cue natin sila dito. Ito na, ito. Anong category? Huwag kang tumingin.
Pwede na kayo magtaliguran, ate.
Ayan.
Okay, for our first category, give one SB19 song.
In 3, 2, 1. Gento! Galing
One point
sila.
agad.
Nakuha nila.
Ang hirap ng tanong eh.
Ha?
Ang hirap ng question.
Diba? Sobra talaga. Talagang, guys,
Okay na next.
yung mahirap doon, na-pressure na kayo dahil nakuha nila. Pero lumaban kayo. Sinong next pair natin? Ayan na.
Alright. Okay. Ibang category naman to, okay? The next category is give one SB19 member.
In 3, 2, 1. Justin! Ano daw?
Ano sabi ni ate?
And Susan,
Ay!
Ano sabi mo? Ay,
Ate.
wala.
May kulang ba sa akin?
Nandyan lang siya. Nandyan lang sa katabi mo.
binanggit ko na nga, Ken Susan.
Thank you guys, thank you.
Tinititigan mo siya. Sagot na siya. Nandyan. Ayan o, sagot na yun. Alright. 1-0. Isa na lang.
1-0.
Isa na lang. Okay. This team has the chance to win it if you get this correct. Come on. Kanina pa sila nag-holding hands. Justin, feeling ko konektado sila. Kanina pa sila connected.
ito.
Alright?
Taliguran.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, the next category is give one song from SB19's Pagsibol EP.
In 3, 2, 1! Tama? Mali! Mali!
Sabi mo, SLMD. What?
Buhay pa
Okay.
kayo. Buhay pa kayo.
Kayo
Buhay
naman.
pa kayo. Here we
You
go.
have a chance. Come on.
Now, here's what happens. Since there are 4 songs, 4 questions, first to 2, you need to get this correct para makatayo tayo. Okay? If you don't, panalo na ang team na to. Alright?
Oh.
You need to get this correct.
Yeah.
Since we only have 4 questions, okay, na isang point sila, kailangan yung makuha to para manalo, ay para maka-tiebreaker.
Yeah.
Para maka-tiebreaker. Ha? Asan yung mic niya? Oh,
Okay.
asan ka mo? Bigyan mo ng mic. Yan,
Okay, eto na. Ready na kayo guys?
Alright.
For next category, give one song from SB19's Pagtatag EP.
In 3, 2, 1! Game time. Oh!
Okay, congratulations guys! Thank you for playing.
Congratulations!
So we have our winner here. Congratulations guys!
The winning team gets their prizes.
Come on guys, here's the center. So, the winning team will be receiving some merchandise. Yeah.
Oh,
From
for
this
may
song.
consolation naman. May consolation din tayo.
Congratulations.
Oh, picture kayo. Oh, yan. Ayan. Kasama daw sa prize. Kasama sa prize. Oy, bro. Ayan na. Congrats. Oh, group photo. Group photo. Group photo. One quick group photo. All together. Congratulations. Congrats.
Ay, okay.
Alright, there you go.
Mary!
Kukunin, ayan yung photo. Right there, right there. Yan. Give it up for our,
Thank you so much guys.
hey. Thank you so much. Thank you to all our players. Give it up for Justin of SB19.